Okay, so let's start. Good day, ma'am. Can you please tell me about yourself?
I am Emmeline Pacao from Buklod, Sonasi, Camarines Sur, Bicol Region.
Mm-hmm.
I am married. I have two kids. One is 4 years old and another one is 6 years old. I am college graduate. Then I have experience in United Arab of Emirates for almost 9 years. Only one employer I go there. I take care kids. One is 3 months and the other one is 4 years old. And also, my main duties there are cooking, ironing clothes, washing the dishes, and take care the kids to go to school also.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
They have two siblings. I me? Okay, I have two.
Yes,
Yes po.
you have two siblings. And then what is your position in the family?
I am the youngest one.
Okay, so did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, I don't have, sir.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Maybe, but I can learn also how to take care pets, sir.
Okay, so next, can you please tell me if you have any idea how you can handle kids that are naughty or kids with tantrums?
I can handle the kids that they are naughty because I will always tell them that naughty, that not nice, and
Mm-hmm.
also I will always watch educational videos so that they can learn also than to make any naughty things.
Okay, so lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will just say that please hire me, and I am promised that I will take care of their kids. I will love them as same with my children,
Mm-hmm.
and I am flexible in any works in their house, and I will become good to them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.